So hello, it's early morning. We are on the way to NLEX for the meetup.
Time check, 3:40 in the morning.
Baler, here we come. Okay, so we are in Krispy Kreme. We are getting some breakfast.
Everything else is closed.
Everything else is closed, but it's
4 in the morning.
But it's okay. We got some donuts, so we good.
Donuts.
Yeah.
Oh shucks, I forgot the tripod. Cecil told me to bring it. Oh no, sorry Cecil.
I forgot my boots too. We are waiting for the father.
Time check,
Son and Holy
4:50. Still
Spirit.
waiting in NLEX.
Hey, that's not nice! We are
4:50. Still waiting in NLEX.
Stop! That's like the third time you've done like that with your hair!
Yeah, cause.
You need to stop doing that!
Awkward.
Ayan na, he's there. Okay. So, see you guys later. Okay, so I didn't vlog the whole day.
We came from a massage, that's why we're oily. We're so sorry.
Yes, I just took a bath. So we are playing games. Hi, Cams!
No to games.
Yes to games.
Don't play games. Hey, I'm so oily. Hi.
It's day 2 of Baler, and we are on the way to the beach, and we are going to surf. So, see you guys in a bit.
Oh no.
Say hi, friends!
Oh my gosh.
Cecil has a pimple.
Stop it.
That's why she doesn't want to be in the vlog.
Gosh.
And Camille,
That's not my.
she has uncombed hair. Yes, she memorizes it.
Welcome to
Welcome.
Baler.
Yeah. Go, Dad. So, yup, my dad is weird.
I don't know why he's drawing a line.
He's too excited for volleyball. So,
Ah, okay,
Yeah.
I get it.
but then it got washed away, so go, Dad. You go.
Oh no. Goodness.
So we are still waiting. Sir, hi. Hi. Buti pa si Mom cooperate. Yes.
Your mom.
So how's Baler so far?
So far, so good. Good, very good.
Say hi.
Hi. It's our first sunny day.
Hi. Championship game, the volleyball game is happening right now, and yes, let's see what happens. And Dad has the ball. And Kuya Pao is serving, and Johnny, Justin, Dad, and outside. We're having lunch. Yay! Finally! Finally!
Stop.
Sorry. Solid. Hi! We're going to the beach today because we're gonna take some photos.
Shout out to them haters.
See you guys in a bit.
Who's the guys?
Who are you talking to?
Who
are they?
guys?
They don't know who
Who
that
guys?
is.
Who guys?
What the freak? oldest tree,
Look at Kuya.
biggest tree. I know. Oh my gosh. So we are inside the baleta tree. Hi, Cams.
Hi.
Yay! We just exited the tree. So we are in the falls-ish. Not yet, but almost there.
I'm not against your vlog. She's
You're
against.
so annoying, Cams. You're not
Give it a big thumbs
supportive.
down. Big thumbs down from me.
Okay, so we are on the way to the falls.
See us and you give it a thumbs up.
Oh my
Fun fact, Bea hates animals.
Give it a big thumbs down. You're up all for animals. Okay, I like the lighting. Don't stop shooting. It's pretty here.
Hey, you're pretty all the time, Cam.
Kaunayan Falls.
Yeah! It's a video!
Okay.
Sup, people? We are in. I don't know where we are. But yeah, we are somewhere.
Ermita Hill.
Okay, we are in Ermita Hill.
Want ice cream?
Hi, best friend. All of them.
We're going to buy ice cream! Oh, there's Pinny Pig.
Get mo ko pinitik.
Hi, Marielle!
So good.
Darwin, missing you here.
May gagawin sila magandang effects. Magandang effect.
Andy!
Animal hater. I love cats, by the way.
Bea friend update.
Bea got
Bea's still alive. She has a pasado on her right under hamstring.
Jajo! 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 Jajo!
He's my ancestor.
So we are the
this part of the vlog.
vloggers now.
Basically, we're taking over the
Because
channel.
the main vlogger, she lost her shoe. Okay, just wait. We're gonna show her. How many slippers do you have? Only one. The main vlogger lost her slippers.
To all her future sponsors, get her
Let
slippers
us
though.
count how many. One. The other one?
Hi, Bea's friends. They're running to the water. I'm running too. Hi, Bea's friends. They're running to the water. I'm running too.